Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez. Just thought I'd do a quick live. I've got a big box. Look how big that box is. It's huge. I think there's a lot of air pockets in it. Look how big that is. It's a big box. That's why they call them, in the Stampin' Up world, we call them BBBs. Big brown box. So there's my details for today. So I'll have a new host code for tomorrow for March. And look out for March tomorrow because there's some new things coming. And I haven't got all of them to show you, but they'll be on the website tomorrow. And today's the last day of Sale-A-Bration, 28th of February. So make sure you get on and purchase things if you want to get your freebies. So in the Sale-A-Bration brochure, when you spend $90 or $180, you get to choose one of these free items. And there's also some other free items that they added to the list. Let's find my little bit of paper. And that way you can choose some of those as well. So these things are already in the catalogue that you can purchase, but if you use these item codes when you're getting them as freebies while Sale-A-Bration is on. So there's just a few things there. There's some kits, which is a great idea. I've actually got a few of those ones so that I can do a class on them one day with some people. And the Eden Garden set is in there for $180 spend. So that's just a great way to get some extra products and gifts for people and things like that. So they're not doing Sale-A-Bration again this year. This is it. So today's the last day. So make sure you get on and grab those things if you want them. There's all my details. I'll just pop that over the side. Let's get into this. See if anyone's here. Not sure. Doesn't matter. I'll put it into my YouTube channel as well, just to catch those last minute buyers. Nothing worse than missing out, is there, when you get to the end of the day? Oh no, I forgot. So I thought I'd better remind everybody you don't miss out. And let's see, now I've got a class coming up in 2 weeks. All my registrations are closed, so I had to order some products for that. So some of the things in here are for that. Woo, lots of air. Check out the air. So I thought there was lots of air in here. So they put air pockets in to pad it out so that it protects your things. And it just depends. If they only have a big box available, obviously they use it. So these are inflatable air cushions, and you can just pop them and then pop them into the, what's it say, recycled, number 2. I'll just throw them on the floor when I'm doing this. Pick them up later. Pop them later. So we've got a few goodies in here. So these are some of the Sale-A-Bration kits. So this is the Let's Party kit. So this is great if you're purchasing things at the moment, because you can get these kits. See, that's one of these kits. So they're little boxes. Try and get that to focus. Hang on. Doesn't want to focus today. Hang on, let me turn the light on. I've got my other light on. That might be better. There we go. So this kit is this one. So they make little treat boxes, things, and they've got little kangaroos on them and little crocodile, alligator, something like that. So that's one of the kits. So these are free when you spend $90. Today is the last day. So keep your eye out for those. So I decided, because I was getting other stuff for my workshop and things, I'd get a few of those so I can have a little get together and we can make some little treats. So that's why I got those ones. And there's another kit in there as well, but I didn't get that one. I've already got it. So these ones are part of the, now Wisteria Wishes is a stamp set bundle. That's something available in the annual catalogue. Comes with dies. That's that one. And for my retreat days, some of these stamp sets are used for that. So the people that are doing the retreat are getting that included in their price. So I've got a few the same because a few different people ordered them. And the Scenic Garden is one of the Sale-A-Bration things. That's a host one. So if you spend over $500 or have a group of people spend over and do it as a workshop, so on a host code, then you get this one free. So that's in the back of this little brochure there if you host. So again, this is only available for today. It finishes tonight, so if if you want any of these things, you need to get on and do that. These little bits are part of the Botanical Layers set, and they're little packs of vellum. So they come as a bundle with the Botanical Layers stamp set. If you buy it as a bundle, that's what you get in the bundle. Let's move that out of the way. What else have I got? Oh, this is one of the free items. I didn't have one of these yet, so I got this one. Loveliest Layers Decorative Masks. So again, you can purchase these already, but you also can get them as a free item today if you spend $90. So that's what they look like. They're that big, and so you can use them as masking and do a background. So I'll have to play with them in my live this week, I think. Got new masks. I like the masks. What have we got here? Oh, I just got some extra gems, solid faceted gems. Look at them. I didn't have any of those, so they're all very sparkly. Love sparkles. Some like a bit of bling. And I've got some dragonfly trinkets. So this is for my class on the 11th of March. Got a few of those. Just for making lots of cards. And I got an extra trimmer to put in my stash for when I do in-person classes. So this is what the trimmer comes like, straight out of the box, look. I've got one, but when you've got a class together, it's good to have two. So I decided it was time to get it. Now remember, there's a plastic coating on here that you can peel off. I left mine on my trimmer for a long time. See how it's a little bit bubbly in spots here? Little bubbles. That's because it's a protective layer, so just peel that off. So that's the trimmer. It comes with a blade and a scorer. So the first one's the blade, the dark colour, and the light colour's the scorer, and they just come out like this when you need to change them. There's a little divot there, and you just pop them back in. So you can get replacement blades as well. You buy them in a pack of 4, and the arm comes out the side. One minute. Like that, so we can put the big 12 by 12 sheets on there. So I can't get it in the box. So that goes out to 43.5 centimetres, 17 inches. So it's quite good because you can use it for bigger things and then just fold it back down. And it comes with the inches on here. You can buy a replacement ruler if you want to. That's in the catalogue, and that will give you a metric one. So I've got a metric one on my other one. So that looks like that. I bought the metric. I didn't use that ruler a lot at first, so I didn't worry about it, and then I did decide to get it, and I do use it sometimes to check measurements on things. It's handy. Just depends which way you work, whether you work in inches or centimetres. So that's the new trimmer. It's exciting, so then I'll get to use that at my next class. We just had a class online. You have to use your own things when you do that. We'll finish that on Sunday. So here's some more the Nature's Print stamps. One of the stamp sets I'm using on the weekend on the 11th. And then we've just got another one of those. A few of those. Botanical Layers, Botanical Layers. A few people like those ones. Just got a couple of stamp blocks, clear blocks. These are really good size to have in your kit. Very handy. You can't, of course, do the big things, but you can do a lot of other ones. So I've just got a couple more of those. A couple more, 3. And I've just got some ink spots. So you can get uninked spots, Stampin' spots. If you don't want to buy the large stamp pads, these are really handy size. And I keep mine. I've got a few when I first started Stampin' Up, and put them into one of these carry things, one of these document holders, and they fit in there really nicely, and it keeps the lid on while you're taking it somewhere. I just kept them in here up on my shelf there, and I just find that really handy. And I've got my extra ink pads in there that I don't use all the time, but they're just handy way to store. And I've actually cut out an old catalogue for the colours, so I knew which colours I had in there. Ways I work. And then we've got a chamois. So the chamois, Simply Chamois, they're so cool for cleaning your stamps. That's what they look like brand new. I get mine out every week. They look like this. So they do come nice and clean, but after using them for a bit, oh, it's gone all funny. they end up like that. They just stain, but you just wash them with, I just rinse them out with water, give them a squeeze, and I keep them in an old stamping case, and they stay fairly moist through the week, and then I just wash them out again, and occasionally I'll wash them with a bit of a liquid detergent from the, you know, dishwashing liquid, and give it a really good wash and squeeze out and get all the detergent out of it. But they come quite soft in that little packet, and really good for cleaning your stamps. Every time you use your stamps, you've got to clean all the ink off them. So that's me for today. So if you're wanting to purchase anything or join my team, you're welcome. Today, of course, is the last day for that. Let me just close the box for a second and put my thing back on top. So if you were joining today, this is the join offer, and it's such a good offer. So even if you've been a member before, you're welcome to join again. They don't mind. You don't have to stay as a demonstrator. You can just join for the special and enjoy the products, and you can maintain it. There is a minimum every quarter if you want to stay as a demonstrator, but you don't have to. So I really like the no lock-in side of this, and it's all about community as well. The products are great, but the community is also really good, and we're part of a bigger team. I have a little team, and I'm part of a bigger team, and we're planning things for the team this year, which is a lot of fun, just getting together and crafting. So the options there, option 1, you can get the blue, this is a limited edition blue boho mini, and you can't buy this separately, you can only get it if you join right now. So as a demonstrator, we could have bought that in the month before, so we can show you. I didn't get another one because I already had a couple of the little ones. So you can get the blue one or the white one. So the white one looks like this. So that's how big it is in my hand. It's a little mini. So they're smaller plates than the big one. So you can't use all the dies in it, only the ones that show you the little mini symbol, this one. And that way you can still use it. It's very handy, it's very lightweight, it's not heavy like the big one. So cute to use too, I love it. So you can get the blue one or the white one, and you pay $210 for that offer, and you still get to choose $315 worth of products, and you get free postage, you get a business pack in that. You don't have to use the business pack, but you get extra catalogues and forms and things like that. You can share them with your friends if you're not interested in demonstrating, and if you are, that's great because you get them. Hi Athena, welcome. Just going through the join special, and the last one is the normal price of $169, and it's always that price to join, and we usually get $235 worth of products to choose, but at the moment for today it's $315 worth of products. That is amazing. So that's $80 more product than the normal starter kit offer. It's just really good value. So if you were thinking of that, make the most of it today. So that's the join offer, and that's it for my show and tell live box opening. So I'll catch you next time. I'll be live on Wednesday night. I always do a live showing some cards, and I think we'll play with those new masks that I got today, these ones. We might make something with that. Now, just before I go, there is a new thing happening tomorrow. So make sure you check tomorrow. If you scan this QR code, you'll see more. It says, scan the QR code to see our full selection of online exclusive products from the 1st of March. So that won't work today, but if you have it up on your screen tomorrow, go a bit bigger so you can do a screenshot, you can have a look at that. And yeah, so these are some of the things that we've already got. We were able to get these as demonstrators, and I did do a few cards for my card and copper class. I'll just show you that. I've got one left, so that's one of the cards I made. This die cut is gorgeous. I just love it. See these dies here? They're so gorgeous. And that paper is the new paper down here. There, that's called the Naturally Gilded Specialty Designer Series paper. It's very lovely. There's a set of 3 embossing folders, and they are fantastic. So I have shown them before in other lives, and I'll show them again, don't you worry. So on Wednesday night we might have to do something with those and put them all together, eh? Okay, so that's it for my today, the last day of Stampin' Up's Sale-A-Bration, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you next time. Ciao.